Every corner of the world possesses its own unique energy, shaped by its environment, history, and culture. Imagine standing atop a breathtaking mountain, where the cool air brushes against your skin and the sun warms your face. The vastness of nature unfolds before you, a reminder of the power and beauty that surrounds us. This heightening of senses evokes a feeling of inspiration, stirring the soul and igniting the imagination. Now consider the tranquil shores of a serene beach. Soft waves caress the sand, whispering secrets of the deep blue ocean. The horizon dances with hues of orange and pink during sunset, creating a canvas of serenity. The rhythmic sound of the waves soothes the mind, allowing thoughts to flow freely and creativity to blossom. Each inspirational place, whether mountain or beach, invites reflection and rejuvenation in a world where everyday pressures can cloud our vision. Finally, let's travel to the bustling heart of a lively city. Skyscrapers reach for the sky, and the energy of the people ignites the atmosphere. The pulse of urban life inspires innovation and connection, reminding us of humanity's collective spirit. Each street corner holds a story, each bustling cafe a conversation waiting to unfold. The environment here is vibrant, full of potential, urging us to chase dreams and express ourselves. In exploring these diverse places, we realize that inspiration thrives in the energy of our surroundings, urging us to absorb, reflect, and create.